I want to talk to you about Walgreens Rewards, and I want to explain to you literally everything you need to know this year about this loyalty programs. Okay, and so here are the opening arguments I want you to really hear today. Now, when you think about Walgreens, I want you to think about let's say a drugstore that's really everywhere. I mean, nearly everywhere. So you have the possibility to actually get things done, but also save money if you shop often at Walgreens. Okay, so the cool thing is that drugstores are famous for two things: selling much more than just medication and offering rewards programs. So if you have ever purchased anything from Walgreens, the cashier has likely asked you if you are a member of Walgreens Rewards, and this is kind of cool. So by joining this free program, because it is free, you will actually earn cash rewards on everything you purchase in the store, including items from the pharmacy. Not only that, but you also get other benefits like the ability to automatically unlock sale prices and access to a convenient curbside pickup and same-day delivery options. So that was really important, especially during COVID, when a lot of folks were stranded at home. I mean, a lot of folks were stuck at home, and those Walgreens Rewards members had their grocery, their medication delivered in their residences. Okay, so the only thing holding some people back from taking full advantage of this money-saving program is not fully understanding how to use Walgreens Rewards. And if you have a clear idea of how to really navigate this program, you'll be better off. Now, the reason that a lot of folks are having this sort of uh, reluctance, if you will, is partially because the retailer has changed the program a few times over the years, so nobody really knows. People start thinking that Walgreens is playing games with its customers. Okay, but so for instance, most recently, Walgreens has transitioned from balanced rewards to mild Walgreens rewards. So again, people are confused. Like it's one of those things where people would just want to be sure that Walgreens is for real before they sign up. And but thankfully, everything shoppers loved about the old program remains the same while adding some new benefits in the new loyalty program. So that's kind of cool. So I want to really explain to you in today's conversation everything you need to know about the Walgreens Rewards. So let me explain to you the process here. So how do you sign up for a My Walgreens Rewards? So sometimes taking the first step is the hardest, but when it comes to signing up for a rewards at Walgreens, things couldn't be a lot easier. So first, you have to go to My Walgreens webpage and you just want to click on Join Free. Join Free now. Yes, this program is free to join and use. Okay, nothing really complicated. So you just have to go to the My Walgreens page and by the way, if you have the app, if you have the My Walgreens app, you can just also sign up in the app. So that's kind of cool. And how do Walgreens rewards work? Well, pretty straightforward. You can think of Walgreens rewards as being paid to shop. That's because you can earn unlimited rewards on your store and pharmacy purchases from Walgreens. And to take advantage of this offer, you just need to enter the phone number that's associated with your My Walgreens account when you check out, because everything is tracked, is monitored, if you will, at the phone number level. Okay. So it's one of those things where you have to really ask yourself, what do I really get through Walgreens? Well, you will get 1% back in Walgreens cash rewards for every dollar you spend on most store and pharmacy purchases. So that's kind of cool. And the amount of Walgreens cash rewards increases when you buy Walgreens branded products. This means that you will get, for instance, 5% back for every dollar you spend on Walgreens branded products. So that's kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that you are able to get things done a lot faster. So the balance rewards and Walgreens cash from your My Walgreens account are basically the same when it comes to the amount that you can earn. So nothing really complicated there, okay? So with balance rewards, for instance, spending $100 used to give you 1,000 points, which really translated to $1 in balance rewards, or 1% back in rewards. My Walgreens provides 1% in Walgreens cash for every dollar you spend on non-Walgreens branded products. So this is kind of really important to say that everything actually comes back to the same anyway. So I want to really talk to you about what you need to know about like if you had a Walgreens Balance Rewards, what should you do this year? What should you do right now? It's important to really remember this sort of like people were confused at first, okay? Because if you remember, I told you that Walgreens has changed its rewards program a few times. So every time, what happens here is that they brought more details, and some people were confused. So each change in the past has brought us bigger and better opportunities to save, but it also has been a bit confusing. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So if you were a Walgreens Balance Rewards member, you needed to sign up for My Walgreens so that your existing rewards points transferred over, right? Pretty straightforward, nothing really complicated here. And this happens either through the My Walgreens account online, like on your desktop, or through the app. So you had to really do that. You had to have this your existing rewards points to transfer over. That's because there was no automatic rollover for this program. And however, once you signed up, you could keep your balance rewards points and also start earning rewards with a new program. So that's really good. So if you are a loyal Walgreens shopper, you are likely already know that you probably know all this already, but casual shoppers might not have. So as a result, they may still need to sign up for the new program. However, if you are signing up now, like right now, do not expect your balance rewards to transfer because the time frame for that has long since passed. And I mean, all those things that I'm telling you now happens a couple of months ago. So, but one thing for sure, you can get a fresh start and begin earning new points. How do you use your My Walgreens rewards? Well, it's important to understand that the whole thing is very easy. Okay, as part of the switch from balanced rewards to My Walgreens, this drugstore simplified the rewards redemption process. So once you have enough rewards saved up and want to see your total at checkout drop, you just enter your email or home address on your online My Walgreens profile or on the Walgreens app. So things are pretty straightforward. Things are pretty fast too. When you think about Walgreens rewards, what kind of benefits do you have? What other benefits? Of course, you're getting 1% back on all purchases. You have 5% back on Walgreens branded products, that's for sure. But what kind of other benefits do you get from the whole thing? Well, one of the most exciting features is the ability to access special deals and sale prices, and those happens from time to time. Okay, and sometimes they do this they do this during the holidays. Sometimes they do it like around special public holidays too. So, as a My Walgreens Rewards member, you will automatically unlock special sale prices. Not only that, but you will also get to take advantage of customized only for you deals on the products that you love. So that's kind of cool. So in addition to saving your money, to saving money on a lot of things, Walgreens is also helping you save time when you join My Walgreens. So this is kind of cool because you have I want to explain to you how you save time because you have Walgreens offers you drive-through, curbside, or in-store pickup options in as little as 30 minutes. So that's really good. You have also the drugstore advertises 1 hour delivery with no order minimum. So if you really want to if you want to have your medication real fast, this is a program for you. And also, Walgreens allows you to add a payment method to your digital wallet for faster checkout. So this is kind of cool. So as a final bonus, My Walgreens provides a tool to help you stay healthy. So this comes in the form of real-time local environment and health forecasts. So get ready to discover information about everything from the pollen count in your area to the risk of, let's say, contracting the flu in your city. And you can find actually this valuable information right in the Walgreens app. So this is kind of cool from an efficiency point of view. So you have a lot of benefits. Long story short, you have monetary benefits, you have logistical benefits, and you also have non-monetary benefits. Like you have everyday benefits that you can really take advantage of if you are a My Walgreens member. let me talk to you about, let me give you some extras here. So how does the My Walgreens credit card differ from My Walgreens? Because you probably know about the My Walgreens credit card. You may have heard of the My Walgreens credit card, right? Although it shares a name with the free My Walgreens Rewards program, it's completely different. This is a true credit card through a MasterCard that you can use to make purchases at Walgreens and any other retailer that accepts MasterCard. So it's not just the My Walgreens thing, okay? It's just a regular credit card that you can use anywhere. However, like My Walgreens Rewards, this credit card also allows you to earn cash rewards, gain access to special offers, and enjoy other benefits. So when it comes to Walgreens cash rewards, you will earn 5% compared to 1% for every dollar you spend. So this amount jumped to 10% compared to 5% for every dollar you spend on Walgreens branded products. So that's really crazy, but that's really good. I mean, that's crazy in a good way. So you also get 3% Walgreens cash rewards for every dollar you spend on approved grocery and health and wellness purchases at other retailers. And the cool thing is, when you make your first purchase with your credit card, you will get $25 Walgreens cash that you can apply to any purchase. You can enjoy free credit monitoring to make sure your financial health is just as good as your physical health. And so speaking of your physical health, you will get local, I think I said this before, but I want to insist on that, your ability to get local environmental and health forecasts, as well as you having the ability to earn bonus rewards for reaching your health goals. That's really fantastic, okay? You also have the same great pickup and delivery options that My Walgreens Rewards provides, okay? And so adding a payment method to your digital wallet is available just as it is to My Walgreens Rewards, as is the ability to instantly redeem your rewards at checkout and reduce the naturally digital receipts. So of course, your My Walgreens credit card will also automatically unlock sales prices and give you access to specialized offers that are really based on your shopping habits and preferences. So this is kind of cool because, but one thing for sure, remember, the My Walgreens credit card is a regular credit card, which means they will check your credit before issuing this credit card. They will do a hard pull, as opposed to the My Walgreens Rewards, which doesn't check your credit. So when you think about Walgreens Rewards, big question is, are Walgreens registered rewards still around? Because many shoppers had a moment of panic when they didn't see any mentions of Walgreens registered rewards when the drugstore announced its My Walgreens program a couple of months ago. Those shoppers assumed that it meant that these money-saving coupons were being phased out. Thankfully, Walgreens registered rewards are still alive and well, so that's really fantastic. So if you are unfamiliar with Walgreens registered rewards and wonder why people will be concerned about them, let me give you a quick overview here. The thing is that when you think about Walgreens registered rewards, I want you to think about flexibility. I want you to think about efficiency. I want you to think about affordability. So registered rewards are special coupons that print when you check out at Walgreens. You can use this rewards like cash when you make your next purchase. Okay, that's really good, and that's really the affordability part of things. So when you make your next purchase, think of it as getting an instant rebate on your purchase. And shoppers love that they can use registered rewards with both manufacturer and Walgreens coupons. And that's really good, again, in terms of the affordability point of view. And however, keep in mind that you can only use registered rewards coupon per offer and per transaction. So one registered rewards coupon per offer and per transaction. So the limit is there. And additionally, when you redeem a registered rewards coupon, you will not receive a coupon with the same offer when you finish that transaction. That doesn't mean that you won't see that offer again at a later date though. So finally, it's important to know that you can't use registered rewards coupons on certain items. Many of the exceptions won't shock you. Like these items include alcoholic beverages, tobacco products, lottery tickets. You have postage stamps and prescription medication. However, you might be surprised that registered rewards coupons are really applicable for purchases on dairy products or gift cards. I'm still talking to you about the Walgreens Rewards, okay? So, speaking about that, what other types of Walgreens coupons print at checkout? It's one of those things where you have to really, but again, I want to insist on the fact that those Walgreens coupons actually print at checkouts based on the chronology, based on the timing. So, Walgreens is constantly sort of mixing up its, not mixing up, constantly mixing and tweaking its marketing strategy. So really incentivize shoppers to really shop. And so depending on the timing of the coupon, you might see different rates around Christmas, around Thanksgiving, around in the summer, for instance, in the summer months, or around spring. So in addition to earning Walgreens rewards and register rewards, you can also expect other types of coupons to print at the register when you make purchases. But again, those coupons will be depending upon the specific purchases that you make too. So let me take a look at some of the money saving coupons that you can come across in the wild. So you have a Jingle Cash during the holiday shopping season. That's really good. You have dollar amount of a specific brand or products. I mean, if let's say an action is happening with the manufacturer, I mean, like they're trying to really sell a couple of items real fast. You also have percent off when you spend a certain amount on regular priced items. That's really good. Also, depending on the item, it really depends on the stock that the manufacturer has, or if they have reached an agreement with Walgreens to just sell those items en masse. You also can get a certain dollar amount off your next purchase when you buy a certain item. So this is kind of cool. So clearly, there are a lot of savings to be had at Walgreens. The first step to start taking advantage of them is signing up for My Walgreens, or maybe the My Walgreens credit card. And from there, you just need to actually start shopping and saving. And the best way to really rack up those benefits, those rewards at Walgreens, is to actually plan things. You want to plan your shopping sprees. You want to plan your shopping strategy. You want to really, for you, but also for your family, right? In terms of the stuff you buy, in terms of the medication you buy, in terms of the timing, like what are the dates where you have promos, and always seize those opportunities. This is how you're going to actually rack up points. Like those 1%, those 5%, those 10%, they actually add up real fast. You'll be really surprised that all of a sudden you find yourself with a lot of points. So here are the closing arguments. In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the Walgreens Rewards. I give you the opening arguments. I give you the process. I spoke to you about the process, the extras, and now the closing arguments. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.